America needs to know this. You do have to use your Social Security account to open up a Medicare, to sign up for Medicare, because Medicare does not sign you up. So what she's going to have to do is go down to the local Social Security office or make the phone call to them and set up a time, sometimes where they'll call you back. Good luck. But I think you should go in person to your local Social Security office and let them know that your account was blocked. And they will help you open up, they will unlock it and help you open up a SSA.gov account. And that's where you will sign up for Medicare, is on the SSA.gov account. So is she turning 65 and it's blocked? Or what if you're someone who you're leaving your company insurance and you've got to sign up for certain things? You want to let Social Security know that you've got to get into your SSA.gov account because they've locked it and they will not let you in it. It's just confusing. It's all rules. And, you need to watch it. People need to realize that Social Security, Medicare, and the IRS will never call you. Those are scam calls. Big time. We are scammed very big. So if you get a phone call and someone says that your Social Security is messed up or whatever, that's a scam call. I don't know how they know so much information about us. But if I don't know who your number is, I'm not answering the phone. You've got to be very careful. And you do not have to be nice to the people on the other side of the phone. You can hang up. They don't need your information. I had a client, well, it was a friend of mine's dad, who was a bigwig with Coca-Cola. Okay? And he got a phone call that his grandson was in jail, and he went to CVS and sent money like $3,000 or $5,000 to somebody. He thought he was sending it to the jail. And the grandson called him. He was fine. Grandson had no clue. When you're older, you trust people. And the older generation needs to realize that they need to let their older adult children help them with their situation. You don't have to control everything. And just one mistake can jeopardize everything. So that's what I have to say. And, I've given you my phone number on the other podcasts that we've done, but they can call us at 832-519-8664, or they can email us off of my website, info @tonisays.com. Why am I Tony with an I and not a Y? Because I am a girl.